Hey y'all, this is my first time talking to the camera today. What's up? I forgot I gave away all my rice because I was on a cut and I'm still supposed to be on a cut. But I was gonna make some rice and some bell peppers, like stir-fried bell peppers, but I don't have any rice. So can't do that, and I really don't feel like getting dressed and going back outside. So let me see what else I could do. Yeah, that was really like the main thing that I was gonna do. So there's fish in here, but I'm pretty sure like this isn't good anymore. Fish is bad. I wouldn't eat it. I'm gonna throw that away. It looks like I'm about to just eat some chicken nuggets tonight, like I've been doing all the other nights. I don't know why I'm acting bougie, but yeah, it's looking like I'm about to just eat myself some air fryer chicken nuggets. These ones from Costco. They're really good, actually. Some ketchup, you know. I'll do the regular chicken nuggets for tonight, and I'm just going to put this in the fridge so it could thaw out, and then I'll do some stuffed bell peppers tomorrow so that I can actually have some meal prep for the work week. I go back to work on Monday, and today's Saturday night, so we're just, you know, chilling. I love the After series. It's the series with like Tessa and that guy. Let me see, like these people. So I'm going to watch After Everything. It's the last part of the series. I've been obsessed with the series for years. So I'm going to just buy it, even though it's about to be on Netflix. And they said early 2024 is about to go on Netflix. I'm going to just buy it from one of the other ones so I could watch it because I'm just obsessed. So well, I'm going to get that set up. I'm going to make my chicken nuggets. And we're just going to chill in today. It's been really chill so far. I cleaned and I'm just ready to just put on a movie and go to bed. Let's make some nugs. While the oven's finished preheating, I bought this mask from Target, pore minimizing T-zone and full facial mud mask. And I'm about to put it on. I haven't used a mud mask in a long time, so. This is going to be the end of the video. Sorry, I'm munching on these nuggets right now. But this is the end of the video. I'm just about to watch a little bit of Breaking Bad until I feel tired. And I'm going to go to sleep. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and comment if you made it to the end. And I'll see you in the next video.